Namaste. Today I have with me Mrs. Vrinda Vilankar. She is basically from Kerala and then got married to Maharashtrian fellow, and since then she lives in Maharashtra. She knows Marathi well. Since last 10 days she is at Anandkunj. Actually, basically she is a yoga teacher, healer basically, but she herself got so many problems like swelling all over the body since last few months, and did many things, I think.
No, I had been to this Ayurvedic medicines I was taking.
Yeah.
And even I had been to YOGASHRAM also, Haridwar also. But
Okay.
I did not get any relief.
Yeah.
So after taking, I took
So before coming to this Anand Kunj, what were the problems?
the swelling was there on my
Okay.
hand and on my face. Face
Okay.
was lot. And
Yeah.
when I bent, all the dirty smell used to come from my nose.
Okay.
Dirty means very dirty smell used to come from my nose.
Yeah.
So that has all stopped,
Okay.
It was not coming out, but when I bent, I could get that smell.
Yes. Yes.
So now after coming here, the swelling and all have gone.
Yeah.
It's still little 10% is it? That's okay. That I have
So
to take care of
90%
this.
relief you
Yes,
have.
90%
Okay.
relief I
So
have.
before following this urine therapy,
Yeah.
what are the therapies you followed?
Therapies, I was taking Ayurvedic medicine.
Ayurvedic medicines,
Yeah, I was
okay.
taking Ayurvedic
Okay.
medicines.
Okay. So
They said it is arthritis. Actually,
Yeah.
it was like 9 days I had gone on grape juice.
yeah.
So I think some pesticides, some chemicals must have gone inside me.
Mhm.
After that only I got this swelling all over my body. So
Okay.
it is taking time to come out.
Yeah.
So I was praying to God to show me some way.
Yeah.
So God showed me the way to come here
Yeah.
to Anandkunj.
Anandkunj.
So I'm blessed to come here and to be with you.
Yeah.
I don't have words to thank you for that.
Yes.
And you have healed me mentally also,
Mhm.
physically also. So
Yeah.
very
So
nice.
how was the design? Basically, this 10 days protocol you have followed. How is it as a yoga teacher, as a healer? How do you feel?
Very good, very nice. Your
Yeah.
yoga in the morning is very good. Your afternoon, that breathing, everything, even the shavasana, everything
Yeah.
is too. Only I was feeling bad. I'm not able to do it properly.
What was your experience of Shankaraksharan?
Shankaraksharan, very nice.
Very
Very
nice.
nice.
And after
Very
that,
nice.
we did this samadhi sadhana kriya.
Yeah,
and all
yes.
that.
I really loved it.
You must have seen other patients also here in these last 10 days.
When I see those people, I feel I have nothing.
Yeah.
I have nothing, no major issues.
Yeah.
It's nothing compared to what others are going through.
Yeah.
So I am blessed to be with God. I always pray to God to show me a way so that I can come out of this.
What do you feel about urine therapy?
Urine therapy, it is too good. First I was thinking, I'm going to have to drink this and all those. Because I think this is more better than the Godanar which we drink, That has got more dirty smell than our own urine.
Yeah.
Really speaking.
So, do you think
Even your physiotherapy is also too good.
Yeah.
It's too good.
Yeah. So every day we used to give you this Virechan Churna, this one. So many motions you have passed.
It is good, one way that all the dirt is coming out, I'm getting detoxed.
Yeah.
So that was
So
one way, it is
walls,
good.
how much swelling? All swelling has gone.
Yeah, my face, I've never seen my face like this.
Yeah.
I think after many months I'm seeing my face.
Yes.
Otherwise my face, especially this portion used to be swollen up.
Yeah. So how many days of fasting you did?
I did 5 days fasting.
5 days fasting. So
days
was there any weakness during the fasting?
No. Only the 5th day I was feeling because only the 5th day I felt. Otherwise, I was okay.
So like this for 5 days continuously you did the fasting.
Yeah.
Have you ever done it in your life?
No, never.
So how was it possible?
This is good. As a Christian, we have never done this much fasting at all.
Yeah.
So after coming to his place, at least that. But Maharashtrians, then fasting means what? Varitza bhati, saudana kavada, khichdi and all those things.
Yeah.
This is fantastic.
So fantastic. So as a Christian, you're basically you are Christian.
Yes,
from Kerala.
Yes.
Now what I heard is you are learning Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita.
So how do you feel about just say something about Bhagavad Gita?
First I thought Bhagavad Gita is only Hindus. It's not
Yeah.
concerned with any other this caste or religion and all.
Yeah.
Then after that, first day was horrible because the Miss started with the 15th chapter,
Yeah.
and she started saying Panchadeshodhyaya. I'm searching the whole book where it is started.
Okay.
Then after that I got it. Then I started understanding. This is the way, he's just teaching the way of living.
Yeah.
Way of living, how you should live the life.
Yeah.
That's it. It's nothing concerned to any caste or
Caste
any
or
religion.
religion. So everybody should learn that.
Everybody should.
Basically, Gita is nothing but yoga, what we say.
Yes.
Yeah.
Even Sanskrit language, from that I just added this interest towards Sanskrit. So I'm learning Sanskrit also. I gave 3 exams also.
Okay.
So I'm enjoying that life. But when this happened, I went in depression. I started crying all the time, crying.
Okay.
Because I was thinking what I could do Shirshasana, split and everything, and what has happened to me.
Okay.
So I was crying, so much of depression. I went to my children's place, then they made me happy and all. So I came out of it. And then after coming here, now I'm very, very happy.
So mentally also you're strong now. There's no more depression.
No.
Will you be able to heal others also
Yes,
now?
of course.
Yeah.
Whatever I learn, whatever I learn in yoga, whatever I learn from outside, I always tell my students in yoga. Always. So many people have got healed also with that.
Isn't this marvelous, viewers? She is a basically yoga teacher. Went because of her physical ailments, she gone through so much of depression, and now with the help of urine therapy, everything is get rid of.
Yes.
Everything physically, mentally, she is so strong now.
Now I know that everything is in our hand. We can do it by ourselves. Take care of your own self.
मीच माझा शिल्पकार, मीच माझा मारेकर.
Yes. And you have healed me also so much.
Yeah.
Your healing, this is too good. I don't have words to praise you.
You heard all satsangs or
Yes.
lectures?
Everything I have attended.
Yes. So on physical level, mental level, energy level, you're all.
I'll be coming again after 3 months.
You'll be coming again.
Yeah.
Yes. So you have to follow.
I have to be in touch with you all.
Yes. So you're following the certain regimen, going to follow that regimen for next 3 months. Yes.
Sure. It's for me.
Yes.
It's not for anyone else. It's for me. I want to be healed completely because I don't want to go through that depression again.
So now, is there any foul smell when you bend down and all that? It has all gone off.
Yes. Otherwise, the smell was like, how the gobar and all, that's, oh my God.
From somewhere you got the infection, and that infection got now.
Even my ears also had closed. I couldn't hear also properly.
Yeah.
It was very bad. So that, the feeling was there all the time. I don't know when I will come out, when I will go back to my own distance.
तो व्यूअर्स ऐसा है कि ये केरल से है और महाराष्ट्र में रहती है वृंदा विलनकर, जिनको पूरे बॉडी में स्वेलिंग था जब 10 दिन पहले आई थी, है ना. हमेशा आगे बेंड होते थे तो कुछ फाउल स्मेल होता था और खुद के बारे में थोड़ा सा बहुत निगेटिविटी आ गई थी, मेंटली डिप्रेस थी. और अभी 10 दिन के उपचार में पूरी तरह से वो, और इसके पहले भी आप बहुत सारे जगह पे गए हैं, हरिद्वार वगैरह जाकर आए, वहाँ पे कोई रिलीफ नहीं मिला. बहुत सारे आयुर्वेदिक ट्रीटमेंट्स भी लिए, लेकिन उससे भी कुछ रिलीफ नहीं मिला था. और पूरी तरह से
कभी अच्छा लगता था, कभी
लेकिन प्योर निसर्गोपचार और शिवाम्बु चिकित्सा से ये हो सका है. सो
आई कंप्लीटली बिलीव इन दिस. I have to preach and tell others also.
बढ़िया.
Thank you.
So thank you. All the best to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.